In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a website to Netlify. We're going to walk through the full process of connecting your website repository and getting it deployed live. Netlify makes this very straightforward, especially if your project is already stored on a Git provider like GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. To begin, log into the Netlify app. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Add a New Project button and click it. This is where you start creating a new deployment from code you already have online. If you're managing multiple sites or teams, just make sure you're in the correct workspace before continuing. Next, choose the option to import an existing project. Netlify will then ask which Git host provider you want to connect to. Select the one that contains your website repository. This step tells Netlify where your code lives, so it can pull the files directly and also keep your site updated whenever you push future changes. After that, you may be asked to authorize the application. Go ahead and approve the connection. So Netlify has permission to view your repositories. This is a normal part of the setup process and allows Netlify to display the list of projects available in your account. If prompted, review the permissions carefully, then continue. Once the connection is complete, search for the specific repository you want to deploy. If you have a lot of repositories, using the search bar can save time and help you quickly find the correct one. When you see the right project, select it to move into the deployment setup. Now you'll review the build configuration. This part is important because it tells Netlify how to prepare your site for publishing. If your website uses a framework like React or Astro, Netlify will often detect it automatically and fill in the build command and publish directory for you. In most cases, that means you can simply review the settings and leave them as they are. If you're uploading a basic HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website with no build process, you can leave those fields blank. It's always a good idea to pause here for a quick check so you don't deploy with the wrong settings. Finally, click Deploy Site. Netlify will begin building and publishing your website. This usually only takes a few moments. Once the process finishes, your production link will be available and your site will be live on the web. And that's it. Your website is now uploaded to Netlify and ready to share.